Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up WAVLINK AC1200 2PCS Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender. The WAVLINK AC1200 2PCS Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender is a powerful mesh Wi-Fi system that boosts your internet coverage across your home. It includes two units that work together to eliminate dead zones and provide fast, stable Wi-Fi on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will unbox the product box. The WAVLINK AC1200 2PCS Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender box includes two Wi-Fi extender units, two power adapters, and one Ethernet cable for optional wired setup. It also comes with a quick start guide to help you set up your mesh Wi-Fi system easily. Now plug the WAVLINK device into a wall socket. Wait for the power LED to become solid, not blinking. On your smartphone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the default Wi-Fi network name like WAVLINK N or WAVLINK XXXX. No password required at this point. Open your web browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge, etc. In the address bar, type http://wifi.wavlink.com or use the IP 192.168.10. Press Enter to load the login page. On the login screen, set a new admin password if it's your first time. Click Login to proceed. In the WAVLINK Extender setup page, you'll see multiple options: router mode, repeater mode, range extender, AP mode, access point. For extending Wi-Fi, choose repeater mode. The device will now scan nearby Wi-Fi signals. Choose your home/main router Wi-Fi name, SSID, from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password for your existing router. Set the new extended network name, or keep the same as main Wi-Fi. Click Apply or Save. The extender will reboot, wait 30 to 60 seconds. Go back to your device's Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the new extended Wi-Fi network. If you used the same name as your main router, your devices will switch automatically. If you chose a different name, connect to that. Now add second WAVLINK unit for mesh mode. Plug in the second unit in another room. It will auto-sync with the first unit. Once the LED is solid, the mesh is active. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.